Well, it's Siddharth, and you are watching AI with Siddharth or Coding Plane. I just changed my name. I don't know, cause it's I do coding of every kind of subjects. Okay, so I just changed the name. So today, what I'm gonna show you is really interesting thing. Let me just show you this. I have written a code. I will show you that how can you actually make that code or code yourself. But I won't be explaining you this code right now. So I'm going to show you that how this does this code work. Actually, the real code is written by Siraj Raval, um, but the code what he wrote over here is actually the wrong code. I made lots of improvement in this code. Actually, he wrote this code on the basis of Python 2, and I improved it to the new version of Python 3. So it has lots and lots of I got lots and lots of errors like this. So I tried to figure it out on YouTube that how can I overcome those errors. Let me just show you his channel. He's a really great guy. He's kind of intelligent. I like him. Let's show you his channel. Siraj Raval. Raval. Yeah, Raval Game by Live. See, he's the one. Go ahead and subscribe his channel. Even I learn from his channel a lot. So here is the thing. Okay, let me just quickly explain you this code. On which network does it depends on? I will explain that in more detail and much more in detail in next video because it's all based on neural networks and other things. So you need to know about the basics of them. So I'm planning to make it, but May on 7 yeah, of course, in 17 July it was my birthday, so I was also working on other projects, so I was kind of busy, so I didn't made any video. So yeah, let's just quickly explain you. Import gym and numpy as np. Gym is actually the dependencies on which our game is gonna work. Let me just show you that. um, Desktop. Let me just show you how does this game work. This AI game works. Actually, this game learns from its negative markings and the positive marking and makes its own results. Let me just show you. Python gamebot.py. Yeah, if you see this, he's trying to make it perpendicular at one axis, and it's learning from its reward points, as you can see over here. If you check my other videos, like um, you can say, yeah, this one. Let me just show you. um, AI with Siddharth, and go to my channel. If you saw this video, our machine learning, aka artificial intelligence, three types of learning. Over here, I have used, or the creator, the real creator, I don't know, Siraj has written this code by his own, but on its own, but I don't know who's the real creator of this code, but it's a data scientist. I know that far, and he did a great job. If you see that video, aka artificial intelligence and machine learning, three types of learning, I've said explain you the reinforcement learning, how does it works, and this all things are based on that, not kind of supervised learning or the unsupervised learning, but reinforcement learning. So yeah, to create this game, we use gym dependency. NumPy is only for the mathematical operations. So over here we have an indent called run episode, and we set an yeah, over here we have set an environment called gym.make CartPole-vo. That is nothing but this scenario, this environment. To create this environment, we have actually defined an environment variable using gym dependency. So run episode, each and every episode is going to run on this environment and the parameters. I'm going to explain to you what that is. Observation is this, is that, how is he leans on one side or the other, how does it moves and all those stuff. Then environment gets reset each and every time it leans on the wrong way or the right way. Then total reward gets to 0 or the present. Okay, the present total rewards upgrades. Okay, the total reward points updates, sorry, I'm sorry, updates over and over time. Okay, so we have for loop of, and we have range to actually list these values over here. These values, we have range variable out there. So n dot render, everybody knows what the meaning of render is. Action is going to show you an action of 0, which is this present reward points. If np.matmul is nothing but multiplication of the parameters and the observation, as observation variable is right over here, and parameters I will explain you. If it's less than 0, else 1, observation reward done info equals to n dot step action. Now what this does is kind of different thing. This actually is a lot relevant to neural networks. I will explain you that in my later video, but yeah, that is. And yeah, that actually step function is nothing but you can say an activation function. I will explain it in my later video, don't worry. Then total reward point will add it to the reward, which is the reward given to the model. And if these all processes are done, we break and we print the total reward, whatever the reward is. Let me just show you that. If you see over here, get the reward, and whatever is getting over here is the total reward, the final observation. Okay, that's the reward, total reward. Now we have done with our model. We have created a model. We have created a model from here to here. Now we want to train this model. So on environment, same variable over here. We have the same thing. Episode per update. I have explained what the episode per update is. I don't think so. I've done. Yeah, episode per update is gonna update this scenario after over and over. Okay, it's gonna update the scenario. Noise killing equals to 0.1 parameters. Yeah, now I've come over here. np.random, what it's going to do is random number of 4 multiplied by 2 and will be subtracted by 1. Best reward will be equals to 0, which is the default value, and it gets updated over and over time if the model performs a really good action. Now we are over here for range. Yeah, new params. New params are nothing but these params. What you are seeing over here, these are new params, which are got updated by from 0 to these 49, 71, and all and all and all. You can just see that what those new params are. So yeah, those are new params, and we actually put that parameters variable over here, add that to the formula of this thing, whatever it is, np.random.rand 4 by 4 multiplied by 2 subtracted by 1 into noise killing is a value of 0.1. Noise killing just nothing but the pixel rating of this ball. I don't know what this game is called. I forgot the game is. Let it be. Then the real reward time will be run episode, and the environment will be updated, and the new parameters will be updated. And we want to print the reward and the best reward, and what the best functions were the best functions. You can say the best points, best performed points, like the over here. Slowly get up and up and up. Okay, hold on. The last reward point was 86, and the best point and the best optimization was 164. So that was the best reward equals to reward. Yeah, over here. Then that was the best. Now it will get divided by the best reward and the reward, so that to get these updated values. Okay. So If reward is greater than best reward, best reward equals to reward, parameters equals to new params. This is understandable. I don't need to explain this. I don't think so. If you have any kind of confusion in the codes, let me know in the description. Oh, sorry, in the comments below. Sorry. If reward equals to 200, break it down, break the function, and our train submit equals to false. Submit comes from this variable. This equals to false, and print the R. And that's it. That was the code. And let me just run this thing in front of you, and you know, yep. I like my face while doing some kind of video shoot, cause I love my face. Yeah. So, if you have a CMD, that's good. I'm gonna use anaconda prompt. Anaconda prompt. Okay, so I want to change my directory. CD desktop, and in my desktop I have actually stored this gamebot file. If you see this, so I am in desktop. I just want to type Python gamebot, the name of the file with the extension py, and try to run this, and there are the results. See, this is the same code name. Nothing just changed. If you still have some things to ask, just let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you next time in my next tutorial. Till time, good night, happy flying, happy developing, and happy programming. Goodbye, see you, bye.